Hello everyone, welcome to Framework Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to start with the lecture number 30. I have already uploaded 29 lectures in the series and I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched them yet, I request you and suggest you to please watch the previous lectures so it would be much easier for you to understand these concepts in the lecture 30 because each and every video in this series is interconnected. This series will contain the complete course and this series will contain the all three elements of web designing that are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you are new to this channel then please subscribe to channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. After pressing the notification bell you will get the notification of my latest uploads. If you are a subscriber of this channel, thanks for subscribing Fame World Educational Hub. Now let's start with lecture number 30. So I am going to start with a new file and I am going to save it with the name lecture30.html. So I am just copying the content of the previous lecture, that is lecture number 29. This was the lecture number 29 and the output of lecture 29, that is the previous video, was this. So now I am going to make some amendments in this particular output and this particular code. So I am just copying the content of this lecture to this particular lecture number 13 and saving it. I am just changing here lectures example 6. So now today I am going to start with the concept of width and height in tables. I have already illustrated the concept of alignments, the concept of cell spacing, cell padding, and the border concept. These things I have illustrated in the previous lectures. Today I am going to tell how to increase the height and width of a cell in a table. So now I am going to I am just aligning it to center. Let's say center, and here you can see that this this is the lecture number 29. I am going to load the file, that is lecture 30, and now here you can see it is center aligned. Now here I am going to tell how to increase the width of any cell. So width is horizontal and height is vertical. So now we are going to work on width and height of the cells. So now here I am going to give width. Width is an attribute of th. So I am giving 200 pixel. Now I'm going to just show you the output. I am refreshing it. Now you can see the width of the cell. This particular column basically is increased. So we are just applying to it to the one division th, that is the one division. If we apply this to the second division too, like this, I'm just copying it and applying it to the second division. So the width of second division would also be increased. Again, I am applying it to the third division like this. So you can see the width of third division has also been increased. Again to the fourth one, and here is it. So now you can see it clearly that the width of each and every cell in this table has been increased. This is done with the help of the attribute width. We can increase or decrease the width like this. I am just giving 100 pixel in the first particular column and refreshing it. Now you can see the width of the first column has been decreased. It's up to you that how much you want to give. So I have given width 10 pixel. So you can see now it is 10 pixel and the roll number is automatically wrapped to the next line. This is the way how to give the width. Now coming to the height. So now coming to the height, now I'm giving the next attribute HEIGHT height, HEIGHT height equals to say 200 pixel, or just giving 200 pixels, and now you will see the difference. Now I have increased the height and you can see the difference in each and every column. As you know that height is increased vertically So as we are giving the height, basically we should give the height in the row. That would be much beneficial, but it works in column also, like this. So the output remains same. So if just decreasing the height like this, and you can copy this height to your different rows to increase the height of other rows too. And I'm just saving it. Okay, sorry, I have copied it to the wrong area. Just removing it from here and tr, and I'm copying it here. Yeah, so now the height of this particular row is also increased. Again here I am pasting the height, and you can see the height of the third row is also increased. Again I am pasting the height here in the row, and the height is increased on the fourth row also. So we can increase or decrease the height or width, both the things, by giving the attributes height and width. It's so easy. Generally the height should be given in the row, because the height of row is increased. As if we give the height of column, it cannot be done because each and every column is linked with the row. So it isn't so far possible to increase the height of one column and not increasing the height of another. So it would be looking absurd. So for getting the better results and the accurate results, the height is given in the rows and the width is given in the column headings. And the best approach is also that we should always try to give these things, these height or width, in each and every column, because I know and you can see it that it's not making any different effect if we are not giving in all the columns the values, but we should give. And if we are not giving, it's okay, the output would not make any changes anyhow. But the thing is that we should always try to copy this particular width and height in each and every column, so it would be better end of coding. I hope you are understanding the things, you are getting the concepts. So here I have illustrated how to increase the height and width of a column and the row. The height is applied to the tr tag, that is the row one, because the height is vertical and the height of row is increased and the width of column is increased, so it is given to the column tags. I hope you are getting the concepts. If you are having any confusions or queries, you can just drop your queries in the comment box. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Fame World Educational Hub. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned because the new videos are coming very soon. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.